Inside this massive factory, LUX soap begins its journey from carefully prepared ingredients.
Every batch begins with precisely controlled raw materials.
Before production starts, every ingredient must pass strict quality checks. Precision at this stage helps create consistency in every LUX bar. The prepared soap base now enters the heart of the finishing process.
The soap base is now ready to be transformed into finished bars.
Powerful mixers combine the ingredients into one uniform soap mass.
Every ingredient must be evenly distributed throughout the soap.
Heavy steel rollers refine the mixture into an exceptionally uniform mass. Now the refined soap is ready to be compressed, de-aired, and shaped into a continuous bar.
Removing trapped air creates a compact and consistent soap base.
Controlled pressure transforms the soft mass into a continuous form. The finished soap mass now emerges as one continuous column.
Its surface is refined before each individual bar is formed. Precision cutting divides the continuous column into identical soap billets. Automated guides align every billet for the next critical step. Precisely measured fragrance gives the LUX soap its distinctive character.
One final refining pass creates a smooth and consistent finished texture.
Now each billet is ready to become a recognizable LUX soap bar. A precision press gives each bar its final shape and identity. The automated line repeats the same precise process thousands of times. Every bar receives a final finishing pass for a clean, polished appearance. Automated vision systems inspect every visible detail. Precise weighing ensures every approved bar meets production standards. Anything outside specification is removed before packaging. Selected bars undergo additional quality checks before release. Even the smallest details must remain consistent from bar to bar. With inspection complete, the finished bars move toward their final transformation. Each finished LUX bar now enters a precisely synchronized packaging line. Continuous packaging film moves into position at exactly the right speed.
Mechanical guides fold the package neatly around every bar.
A controlled sealing process closes each package securely. The sealed packages are stabilized before their final inspection.
Automated vision systems verify every package before it moves onward.
The individual bars are now organized into precise retail groups.
At the same time, cartons are formed for the next stage of packing.
The packaged LUX bars are loaded into cartons ready for shipment.
The finished LUX soap cartons now leave the packaging line.
Every carton is electronically identified before storage. Robotic arms stack the cartons with remarkable precision. Layer by layer, hundreds of LUX soap bars are organized for shipment. Once the pallet is complete, it is prepared for secure transport. A protective film locks the entire shipment securely together. The finished pallet receives one final handling inspection. The finished LUX soap is now ready for warehouse storage. Inside the finished goods warehouse, thousands of LUX bars await distribution.
Orders begin with carefully selected pallets of finished LUX soap.
Each selected pallet is retrieved according to the shipping schedule. Final scanning confirms exactly where each shipment is headed. The completed shipments are organized for efficient dispatch. A distribution truck arrives to carry the finished LUX soap onward.
Each pallet is carefully loaded to protect the finished products.
The trailer is filled with finished LUX soap ready for distribution. The finished load is secured before the journey begins. The journey from factory floor to customers now begins. From this factory, finished LUX soap begins its journey toward markets across the country. The finished LUX soap reaches a major distribution center. The shipment is unloaded and transferred into the distribution system. Digital scanning records every incoming LUX shipment. Organized storage keeps thousands of finished LUX products ready for orders. When an order arrives, the system automatically locates the required products. Selected cartons are collected and prepared for their destination. Individual cartons are consolidated into complete retail shipments. A final electronic check confirms the shipment before departure. The finished products are loaded for their final distribution journey. After leaving the distribution network, LUX soap reaches the retail environment.
The packaged bars are temporarily stored before reaching the shelves.
The finished LUX bars are now ready for shelf placement.
Each bar is positioned for a clean and organized retail display.
After a long industrial journey, the the finished LUX bars are finally ready for customers.
The familiar package represents countless precise steps completed inside the factory.
Thousands of identical bars reflect the consistency of modern mass production.
From the factory floor to the shelf, presentation remains carefully controlled. Behind every LUX bar is a carefully controlled journey from raw material to finished product.
Behind every finished bar, the factory operates through a tightly controlled production system. Central control systems continuously monitor the production process.
Temperature control helps keep every production batch within precise limits.
Pressure is carefully controlled as the soap moves through the forming equipment.
Automated counting keeps every shipment accurately organized.
Defective packages are automatically detected and removed from the line.
Laboratory testing provides another layer of quality control.
Every machine works together to turn raw materials into millions of finished bars. After countless automated checks, the finished LUX soap is ready for its final journey. The completed LUX soap bars now leave the production line.
One final automated check confirms the finished product.
Thousands of finished bars are now packed and ready for storage.
Finished cartons are carefully organized for their next destination. Behind the production floor is a warehouse holding an enormous volume of finished LUX soap.
Every stage is connected in one continuous manufacturing system.
Skilled workers and automated systems work together to maintain production quality.
From one bar to thousands, the process continues with remarkable consistency.
What looks like a simple soap bar is the result of a highly controlled industrial process. From raw ingredients to the finished bar, this is how LUX soap is transformed inside a modern factory.